Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I will share one project for which idea struck my mind instantly. What have you created with a cardboard box and a beautiful dry fruit box? Let's proceed to check what I created using a waste beautiful dry fruit tray and a cube box. So, I must tell you, when I received the dry fruit box, I instantly thought that I will use it to make a corner table. Now I started looking for a suitable base or stand. I knew I will use the tray as it is as a tabletop because it was so beautiful. Then one day I ordered grocery and it was delivered in a cube cardboard box in a carton. I thought this will definitely go with the size of that tray. I took out that dry fruit box or a tray, you can call it, to validate my guess. Voila! They were of exactly same size, and I again imagined how this corner table is going to look like. This project was pending for so long, and almost after 1 year, I completed this. I have shared many cardboard box reuse ideas earlier as well, where I filled those boxes with newspapers. Here also, I followed the same step. You all have loved them. This time, I thought of giving this box a textured wooden look. I used homemade textured paste to cover the side, and while the paste was wet, I arranged cardboard pieces to make a pattern as presented on screen. Once dried, I again covered it with texture paste. I used wooden fork to give it a texture. I painted the outer rectangular pieces with lighter color, which was created by mixing flesh tint and brown acrylic paints. And inner squares, cardboard pieces, were painted in brown. And the gaps between the cardboard pieces were also painted in darker shade of brown, as you can see on the screen. Same colors and same process was repeated for all the sides of this box. I kept it for drying and once done, applied golden glitter acrylic powder on the textured tiles I have created. Once the bottom part was ready, I pasted the dry fruit box on this textured box and used it as a corner table. I loved the final look and I hope you too loved it. Please let me know your feedback and suggestions in the comment box below. Stay tuned for more upcoming craft ideas by AJ Crafts. This is the final reveal. This is how I decorated it. I am just loving it. Thank you so much for watching and keep crafting with AJ.